place. Stay in the place. Wait to pause. Stay in the line. Wait to pause.
Of Shoot House, State News, Telangana Heat Waste Alert, IMB says temperature to rise across state in just 3 days. Sports News, Sunrisers Hyderabad won by 6 wickets against Super Kings. Thank you. Today's start is brought to you by Pradeep representing Shura House. Today's start, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholders. I repeat it again. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholders. Thank you. Representing Shura House, international news. Quiet opposition keeps Parliament measurement after votes. Nation news. NIA belongs any fresh arrest in Bengaluru Ramaswaram case. Thank you. This is brought to you by Srivanaka of Grade 1 representing Shura House. Question for Grade 1. Look the picture and guess the logo name. Yes, you picked the correct answer. Let us appreciate it. Question for Grade 2. Who is the CEO of Google? I repeat it again. Who is the CEO of Google? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is Sundar Pichai. Question for Grade 3. Who is the CEO of Microsoft? I repeat it again. Who is the CEO of Microsoft? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is Satya Nadella. Question for Grade 4. Who is the CEO of Facebook? I repeat it again. Who is the CEO of Facebook? You didn't pick the right answer. The answer is Mark Zuckerberg. Question for Grade 5. Who is the CEO of Amazon? I repeat it again. Who is the CEO of Amazon? Sorry, you didn't pick the correct answer. The answer is Jeff Bezos. That is brought to you by Tanmay representing Shura House. But holistic meaning sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's international and national news are brought to you by Shaili of Grade 7 Tapas, representing Dira House. International news. USA on high alert for possible Iran attack on Israel or American assets. National news. PETA seeks action against Maharashtra MLA for dangling crab at press meet.
State and Sport is brought to you by Arkham from representing the House. State news. KCR to examine damaged crops in Old Karimnagar. Sport news. Yuvraj Singh light at it again. CSK top order play. It a safe. And SRH unleashed lower ball. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Today weather report is brought to you by Elephant of Versus represented from the House. Weather report. Maximum temperature 40 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Dixit from representing the House. Start. Courage to continue matters more than success or failure. That word is brought to you by Ashwit of Great Topaz representing the House. Word courage. It means a noun. It is a noun. It means strength in the face of pain. I repeat my word courage. Friends, please spell after me. Courage. C-O-U-R-A-G-E. Courage. Thank you.
From Greater Jasper, brought to you by article. Jagjivan Ram was born on 5th April 1908, known properly as Babuji, was an Indian independence activist and politician from Bihar. He was instrumentally in the foundation of the All India Depressed Classes League, an organization dedicated to attaining equality for untouchables in 1935, and was elected to Bihar Legislative Assembly in 1937, after which he organized the rural labor movement, and he was died in 6th July 1986.